Here's a quick pivot chart bonus tip. When you created a pivot table, you may notice these gray buttons. And these gray buttons are called fill buttons. And they are very useful when you want to filter or change what is shown in your chart. But sometimes when you are preparing for a report, presentation, or screenshot, these fill buttons may make your chart look messy. So to hide them, just right-click and you'll find Hide Value Fill buttons on chart and Hide All Fill buttons on chart. If I click on the first one, you'll notice that the value fill buttons are hidden. And if I want to hide all of them, I just right-click and then click on Hide All Fill buttons on chart. And another way to hide these fill buttons is to click inside this pivot chart, then go to Pivot Chart Analyze tab. And over here, you'll see these fill buttons. And over here, you can hide all, or you can hide the specific fill buttons that you want to hide. And to show the fill buttons again, you just click at these fill buttons and then uncheck this hide all. And now the fill buttons are here again. Right, so that's all for this tutorial. And if you're interested to learn more about pivot table, I've created a pivot table series. If you're watching this from YouTube, you can find the pivot table series in the playlist area. Or if you're watching this from RateNote or Xiaohongshu, you can go to my profile and find it at the album area. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, or subscribe me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.